Hey everyone, today in this video, I'm going to walk you through initial app setup for the Dreame X60. If you're interested in the X60, the link to it will be in the video description. So, first things first, we're at the Dreame app. It's available for iOS and Android devices. Search for the Dreame home app from your app store, download it, sign in or create an account. Then you'll be at this screen where you can view your devices. You probably don't have any set up. We have a couple devices set up, but not a big deal. Top right-hand corner, hit those three dots. Then it says add a device with the plus icon, select that. Now we're taken to our camera where we can connect and scan a QR code, or you can manually add, it's up to you. So in this case, we're gonna scan the QR code on our robot to add our device, make sure it's turned on, our light is on, the power button's there, our unit's already on. Then we can hit next. We can release the hotspot by pressing and holding both the home and the power button for about 3 seconds. We got the voice prompt, so we can hit the box and select next. Now we're taken to our Wi-Fi screen where we need to enter our Wi-Fi information, so connect to your home network, the network that your vacuum will be on, and make sure it's a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. Enter your password and then select next. Now we are going to connect to the device hotspot by selecting the device hotspot connection button at the bottom. It's going to bring up this prompt. We're going to join it. And now it's going to work on connecting. So here we go. Keep your device and phone as close to your router as possible. We got the voice prompt saying everything's connected and return to the app. So we'll wait for the app to catch up.
Network connected successfully.
Network connected successfully.
Robot back into dock before starting tasks.
There we go.
Start charging.
Now select next.
Installation is in place.
We can rename it if we want. Hit finished. And now it says the plugin downloading, so we'll wait for it to be added to our account here. But there we go. We have everything set up right here. It's taken us to a welcome screen. We can agree and continue. We have multiple things here we can enable or disable. Select next. Pet recognition, auto lifting LDS, multi-floor mapping. So toggle these on or off as desired with your environment. Really cool, we can see the AI-driven side reach, AI-driven mop extend. Hit next, do not disturb mode. You can enable or disable do not disturb. Smart voice assistant if you want that on or off. And then here we go. We have a firmware update. I highly recommend updating the firmware before use. But just to show you the rest of this, let's go ahead, let's select OK. And now we're taken into the app for our X60 Ultra. Your next step would be to update the firmware. After your firmware is updated, go ahead, you'll place the station where you want it in your house, and then you hit that center button that says Start Fast Mapping, so it can create a map, then you can edit and tweak the map, and then you can start cleaning. So overall, initial setup, simple and straightforward. It's probably gonna take you longer to search and find it and download it from the App Store if you don't have the app already than it will to actually connect your device.